So here are some instructions for completing and turning in your pixel picture using this pixelation widget from code.org. So first of all, when you come into the color pixelation free play section, you're going to take a look at some information that we have here. So let me turn these down. So if let's just, actually, I'll make this 8 by 8. All right, so you can see these first sliders control your height and width, which they say there. It's also changing these numbers down here. So you can see as I make those changes, these binary numbers down here change. So what we basically have is this row controls the width, and this means 8 in binary. And this row controls the height, which means 8 in binary. And now this is telling me how many bits I have per pixel. Now, what does that mean? Well, the more bits I have, the more binary digits I have, the more colors I'm going to have. So if I look over here, I'm going to have 2 bits for red, 2 bits for green, and 2 bits for blue. And that's going to give me a lot of choices for me to pick from colors. It might be easier for you to work all the way down in like a 3 bits. Now, if I get all the way down to 1, it's just black and white. So you can do that, but that's not allowed for your assignment to get full credit. You need to be at least 3 bits per pixel, and that will give you 1 bit for red, 1 bit for green, and 1 bit for blue. Okay? So now what colors can I make from that? This is giving you a pretty good idea across here. Here's some colors that I can mix. And here are the colors that are going with that as an example. So you can see that, well, 0, 0, 1, that would be no red, no green, and all blue. There's the blue that goes with that. Next to that is green. Next to that is white, black. Okay? So you can start seeing. Now, yellow is 1, 1, 0, which might seem a little different than what you thought. So you could sit here and play around with all the different combinations. There'll be 8 different colors that are available here in this format. Of course, if you want more colors than what are available, you can certainly go up to a bigger bits per pixel, but that's going to mean that each of your pixels is going to have more digits. So here's 6. I'm going to get more colors, more shades, but each pixel is going to have 6 binary digits instead of just 3. All right, so that's that. I'm going to put in one I've already made. I believe this guy is Blinky, and you can see that I use 3 bits per pixel. It's a 16 by 16, and here you can see each pixel that I have. This is representing white, and there's white all the way across the top. So you can kind of see how this gets translated. You almost can see this in here. All right, so the main point of this is how do you turn this in? Well, underneath your image, you see where it says Save Image. If you click on that button, it's going to bring your image up into this window. If you right-click or on your Chromebook, hit tap with 2 fingers, I would go to open this image in a new tab. And then you're going to see up in your browser that image, if I click on this tab, is in its own tab. Now, right-click again and say Save Image As. So you're going to see on a computer it says Downloads, but you also have a Downloads folder on your Chromebook. It's called Download. You might want to rename it and then hit Save. All right, so that is going to save that onto your Downloads folder of your Chromebook. How do you then turn that in? You will then need to go back into your assignment under classwork. And in here, once you click on View Assignment, you will have a place. So it's going to look different than this screen. You have a place where it says Add or Create. From there, you can go choose Upload from there. Let me show you what that screen looks like. It's a little different for me, but it does the same. I'll come into here. you'll get a screen that looks something like this. You'll want to go over to Upload, and then you'll need to hit Browse and find your file under Downloads. So that's the basic process. I'm looking forward to seeing your drawings as they come in. Good luck.